Prepare your soil for planting. Clean the area where the participants plan to plant. Remove the weeds by hand or with the use of tools. Put fertilizer to nourish and condition the soil for the plants. Start planting. Place the seeds or sprout enough deep onto the soil. Water your plants daily. Plants need a sufficient supply of water in order to grow. It is important to keep the moist of the soil for the plant's roots. Check your plant often. Checking your plant often will help you to determine whether your plant needs insecticide or fertilizer. Pull the weeds that surround your plant. It is important to rid your garden of weeds because they rob your soil and your plants of important nutrients and water. Next is harvest. When the vegetables are all ready for harvest, cut off the branches and pick the ripe vegetables. The harvest of the participants will be distributed to the chosen beneficiaries in the barangay to encourage them to plant vegetables in their own yards to support food sufficiency.